Think you are an Excel expert? This advanced Excel quiz is designed to challenge even experienced users. You will face 15 questions covering advanced formulas, lookup functions, dynamic arrays, pivot tables, Power Query, and data analysis techniques used by professionals every day. Keep track of your score and see if you can earn a perfect 15 out of 15. Ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Which function is considered the modern replacement for VLOOKUP? HLOOKUP, match, XLOOKUP, index. The correct answer is C, XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is more flexible than VLOOKUP. It can search both left and right, return custom results when values aren't found, and generally requires fewer workarounds. Example, equal XLOOKUP A2 D through D F through F. Question number 2. Which two functions are commonly combined as a more powerful alternative to VLOOKUP? Sum plus if, index plus match, count plus match, if plus lookup. The correct answer is B, index plus match. Before XLOOKUP became available, index and match were the preferred solution for advanced lookups. They provide greater flexibility and efficiency than VLOOKUP. Question number 3. What does the unique function do? Removes duplicates from a range, sorts values, counts duplicates, highlights duplicates. The correct answer is A. Unique returns distinct values from a dataset automatically. Example, equal unique A2 through A100. This creates a dynamic list containing only unique entries. Question number 4. Which function returns multiple matching results dynamically? Filter, find, match, lookup. The correct answer is A, filter. Filter allows users to extract records that meet specific conditions. Example, equal, filter, A2 through D100, B2 through B100, equal, sales in a string. Only rows matching the criteria are returned. Question number 5. What is the primary purpose of Power Query? Create charts, clean, transform, and import data, protect worksheets, build formulas. The correct answer is B. Power Query automates data cleaning and preparation tasks. It can merge files, remove duplicates, transform data formats, and refresh data with a single click. Question number 6. Which keyboard shortcut converts a range into an Excel table? Control-Shift-T, Control-T, Alt-T, Shift-T. The correct answer is B, Control plus T. Excel tables provide structured references, automatic expansion, filtering, and easier formula management. Many advanced users rely heavily on tables. Question number 7. What is the purpose of Power Pivot? Create dashboard and analyze large data models, format worksheets, create macros, print reports. The correct answer is A. Power Pivot allows users to work with millions of rows of data and create relationships between multiple tables. It's widely used in business intelligence and reporting. Question number 8. Which function allows you to define reusable variables inside a formula? Name, define, let, store. The correct answer is C, let. Let improves formula readability and performance. Example, equal, let x, a1 multiplied by 10, x plus 100. This stores a value in a variable and reuses it within the formula. Question number 9. Which feature allows you to automate repetitive Excel tasks without writing VBA code? Macros, Power Query, Flash Fill, Data Validation. The correct answer is C, Flash Fill. Flash Fill recognizes patterns and automatically fills data. For example, extracting first names from full names often requires no formula at all. Question number 10. Which function can combine multiple ranges vertically or horizontally into one dynamic array? Stack, concat, vstack, or hstack, union. The correct answer is C. VStack combines ranges vertically, HStack combines ranges horizontally. These are part of Excel's modern dynamic array functions. Question number 11. What is the main advantage of using structured references in Excel tables? Faster printing, easier to read formulas, smaller file size, better charts. The correct answer is B. Instead of writing equal sum B2 through B100, you can write equal sum sales in square braces revenue. Question number 12. Which feature is commonly used to create interactive dashboards from pivot tables? Freeze panes, slicers, grouping, data validation. The correct answer is B. Slicers. Slicers provide clickable filters that allow users to interact with reports and dashboards visually. They are commonly used in management dashboards. Question number 13. What does VBA stand for? Visual Business Analysis, Virtual Basic Application, Visual Basic for Applications, Variable Business Automation. The correct answer is C. VBA is Excel's programming language used to automate tasks and create custom solutions. Many advanced Excel users learn VBA to increase productivity. Question number 14. Which function returns the position of a value within a range? Index, match, find, search. The correct answer is B, match. Example, equal, match, John, A2 through A50, 0. Match returns the position where the value is found. It's commonly paired with index. Question number 15. Which Excel feature allows relationships between multiple tables without using VLOOKUP? Power Query, conditional formatting, data validation, data model. The correct answer is D, data model. Excel's data model allows tables to be related like a database. This eliminates many lookup formulas and supports advanced pivot table reporting. Let's see how you did. If you got 13 out of 15 correct, this is outstanding. You are operating at an advanced Excel level and likely use Excel professionally. If you got 10 to 12 out of 15 correct, very impressive. You understand many of Excel's most powerful tools and functions. And if you got below 10, as usual, don't worry. These are advanced concepts that many Excel users never learn. Keep practicing and you will get there. Comment your score below and tell me which question was the toughest. And if you are ready for the ultimate challenge, don't miss the next episode. Can you pass this Excel interview quiz? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next challenge.